welcome here in Manila. Morocco. Australia. Hey bro, where from? Huh? Portuguese.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Poland. So where are you from? From Philippines. We're in Philippines. Pampanga. Pangasinan, right? Yeah, okay. So, say Poland.
আমাদের পরিচিত পর্ব শেষ হচ্ছে।
Canada.
আশা করি অনেক এক্সাইটিং হবে।
España. Vamos para playa. Alright, so everybody, today you are my family today, okay? So don't be shy to talk to each other, okay? Because you are my family today. Alright, everybody, our first travel, first destination is Big Lagoon. We will like 25 minutes or 40 minutes for travel, okay? Captain, let's go, Captain. Everybody, I know you're hot, but if you want to remove, okay? Maybe you stay in the boat and then you know, like that. Tabo, okay? Alright, everybody. So, I need your cooperation today. So, I will introduce my red team for today. For which country? For my lovely guest for today. Sir, where are you from, sir? So, from USA? Come on, everybody! 1,500. Okay? That's clear, everybody? The last destination, everybody, Seven Commando Beach. Seven Commando Beach is not an island, but it's a mainland. It's part of El Nido now. Okay? Behind this rock, Seven Commando. At Seven Commando, we have a more activity, everybody. Okay? If you want to snorkeling, we have that designated area in the right side. Okay? If you want to play volleyball, if you want watching, if you want to sunbathing, if you want to relax, if you want to visit the Biliago Resort, it's not a private. If you want to buy coffee, but it's very expensive. Okay? Mas Peter and Seven Commando, we have the small store. It's not expensive. Okay? Everybody, so Seven Commando, if you want to buy something, we have a 7-Eleven. Okay? Buy
আমাদের গ্রুপ মেম্বাররা সবাই চলে আসছে। এখন হচ্ছে
It's a mandatory.
ইনস্ট্রাক্টর আমাদেরকে ইনস্ট্রাকশন দিবে। How can
Alright, everybody, good morning, everybody. Oh my God, what happened? Your energy. Everybody, good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody excited today. Everybody clap your hands. Everybody, are you excited? Alright, everybody is still waiting for our captain.